When y'all said in the lives you wanted to see maintenance, well, here you go. Changing tire rod end on the banker. We pulled the wheel off this morning, the hub come off with it. Imagine that. That thing's wore out, ain't it? Wiggle it there where they can see it. Yeah. Golly. That thing come apart at 50 mile an hour, you'd be in trouble. So we'll put the grease fitting in this one and put it in. Alright, now we got it going. Can't believe that thing come apart that easy. Screwed it out with hand. It's crazy. Definitely wore out, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was getting that way. For too long, it had been flew apart almost.
I was going to let her uncle use it this morning, but I told her, I said, I guess I better fix that tire out in first.
Give him that piece of tape.
What'd you do with it?
Stuck on the side of the door right here, right there.
I said, it sucked along in my truck to drive to work and it fly apart and wreck and kill him somewhere. It's so hard to video mechanic work. You know?
Yeah. How's that look?
It's pretty dang close on it.
Either that or screw in.
Might need to go in just a little. Was you back to this hump or was you back to the end?
I tried to get to the edge of the threads.
Okay.
You can put it in there too.
Here's what it is. That looks like it's a little long to me though. Where's that old one at? How did that be? I was looking at the threads on it. Heck, I believe the new one's longer anyway, don't you?
Probably.
Or threads are shorter on the new one.
Threads might not come out. Don't look like they come out on that neck as far.
I'd say it's pretty close. I'd say put it on there. We'll try it right there. See what it does. You'll not move that. Alright. Hold it right there. No way to tell. I got the wheel on it, just gonna. I'd say it's close enough, Dallas. Weenies, we're gonna slide the wheel up on here and see if this thing's straight or not before he tightens everything down. That suck tighten everything down and it'd be off a mile and a half. We can get it pretty straight. That one's turned in just a little. Not bad. Let's see how this one looks. It turned out just a little. Yep. Alright, somebody's found me again. Tell me when that looks straight.
That looks straight.
Did it stay or did it come back? That good? Okay. Look this side. Looks good to me. I bet you that'd change the way it drives. Alright, weenies, we're gonna tighten this up. Y'all hang tight. Well, weenies, what would you know? We got the fuel tank to go in the bed of the truck to haul gas for the groundhog. 25 gallon aluminum tank, and I got it for $25. Looks like I need to clean the bed of my truck out. But I'd rather throw it in the bed of the truck than down in somebody's yard. So, yeah, don't have to pick it up out of the yard that way. I can go by the dump, clean the truck out. But anyway, I just want to show you guys that. Got a pump coming in for it. I get it hooked up and get a hose on it and stuff, and we'll see if it'll work. Hopefully it will. Got the tie rod in on the banger. It does good, drives a lot better. And I went over today and got the excavator and brought it home. Still got the ripper on it where we dug across the road. I ain't never changed that out, which it's all right. I got some 2x8s. I'm still not released to be lifting. They told me not to be lifting it stuff, so I'm released as far as everything but lifting. So got some 2x8s here. Try to get a hold of them and unload them with the ripper and the thumb while it's on there. I think it'll work. Hang tight, weenies. Alright, weenies. Got some logs we're pulling out today. Something to do, something to video. That's a good red oak there. I thought we was going for the hickories first, but I want to come up here and get these first. This is our little deer hunting plot here. Pretty place. And trying to get it cleaned up. The winds blow these trees down, and that'll make some good logs out of that red oak right there. And then we got this one up here. I'm not sure what this is. I've not looked at it yet, so forgive me. But got the 450 out, running, doing good. And get her hooked up here and see. I done missed the good part. Don't want me on there. I ain't allowed. They want me to run the dozer, but I ain't allowed, guys. Not right now. Maybe in a few weeks. He gets off in that. You better not get off in that. Trying to get the chain hooked up, guys. Anyway, we hunt up here on top of the ridge, and then down over there on the backside, we got 2 deer stands up there. Real pretty place. We're literally at the foot of the mountain, guys. The mountain's just right there. This is where you start up on the mountain at. So. I don't know for sure if that is a pin oak or a white oak. I need to look at the end of it. Can't tell you, but might be another. No, that ain't a red oak, but anyway, either way, get down here out of the way. He want me on the dozer, that ain't happening. That old big tree there, guys, is gun barrel straight. There, he's got it. Nope. Yeah, he got it. That's the good part about a dozer. You can make your own roads. You go where you want to. He's gonna take it out there beside that red oak. Now what is that right there? That's a red oak out there? That's a white oak. Okay, I didn't know if it was a white oak or a pin oak.
I'll have to watch.
Okay. That's what I thought, but I wasn't real sure either. And that man knows about trees. He's good when it comes to trees. All right, Weenie, I'm gonna take my log chain, put it back in the truck, get it out of the way. Well, we'll watch him here for a second. Or maybe we won't. Broke your chain. That dozer breaks chains left and right. Alright, guys. Broke his chain, so he's gonna push it out now. So he thinks. No, he will. That dozer's a brute. To be a 450, it's a hoss. And he don't carry around it either. He ain't scared of it. He's run more than a lot, so he knows what he's doing. That's got him where we can get to him anyway. Don't. He can hook the corner of that blade and that chain to push it right on out there. Try to pull it. Oh well. I don't think you got enough tie to. He broke my chain, Weenie. Oh well, we get one at a time. It'll be alright. Go 450, guys. Good dozer. Good little dozer. Stay back out of that thing's way in case it decides to go tumbling and rolling. I don't want to be in this way if it starts flopping around. No. Where's he going to with it? Oh. Okay. Alright, weenies. Well, that's got one of them out. He'll go back and get the other, and that's that before we can get to it. He broke my chain. See what he done to my chain? Oh well. It's okay. We got more. Oh, got the pump put on my fuel tank yesterday too. Got the hose on it and everything, so that's good. Poplar log. We broke so many chains today. The chain that's hooked up right now, we broke it like 3 times. So still got that red oak up there to go back and get, but that's no biggie. We'll get it. All right, guys. I feel like I've done enough. It'll let you know when you have. So there's the red oak.
We're not hearing anything.
Uh-oh. We got a white oak from up there, and then we got the poplar from over here. And then we went back up there and he got the red oak. And that's it right there that he's got. Big old log. I think we can get some good logs out of them. And get them cut to length and get the knuckle boom back here to load them. Hope everyone enjoyed watching. The old 450 do its thing. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll catch you in the next one, weenies. Keep cranking.